What's up guys, welcome to a quick dropshipping tutorial, and today I'm about to show you how to set up shipping rates in your Shopify store. So once you are in your Shopify store, you're logged in and everything, we're going to click on shipping and delivery. Before, obviously, go to settings, and from here let's choose shipping and delivery once again, and right now we need to click on manage. And here we are ready to create shipping zone. So how I'm doing it, I usually just go with the country I'm going to market my products in. So in this case it's going to be United States. Okay, here we go, and just name the zone name. It's going to be only for you, just to make things clear. So I'm going to just name it US. Let's click on done, and the most important part is to add rate. I mean, the other part was important as well, but it's the part that can be confusing. So right here we just need to select the price for the shipping and name it. I'm going to name it free express delivery, depending on how many days till the delivery, and I'm using free shipping option on my store, so I'm gonna click on done. If you'd like to add another option and, for example, ship the order faster, then we can add another rate and then charge, for example, $2 or something like that. But I'm going to leave it as it is. And another one is to create a shipping zone for every other country. So I'm gonna click on rest of world, and again the same thing. I'm going to paste it, as I'm going to go with Facebook ads for this one. So I'm going to use e-packet countries and as well as TikTok ads for US. So I think it's going to be alright. I'm usually doing it this way, depending on where I'm making my products, which countries I'm targeting. But yeah, you can play with it yourself and see, test different things. Dropshipping is all about testing, so I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you can subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on dropshipping and make money online as well. And if you'd like me to create you a whole store and do it myself, things like creating shipping zones and stuff like that, as well as building the whole store, you can check out my gig on Fiverr that I created a couple of days ago, and see you in the next one.